Okay, so our first homework question from last night. A fossil has racer wheels. We need to determine if he's heterozygous or homozygous. Show the test cross. Okay, so here we go. There's his wheels. I don't know why he's just got huge wheels. That's a terrible drawing. There we go. What could he be? What could his genotypes be, guys? Homozygous or heterozygous. So what would that be, though? Like when I say the genotype, like what? Give me the letters, the allele code for that. What would that be? Right. Could be big R, or big R, little r. Okay, first case is homozygous, second case is heterozygous. So who do we cross him with? Who do we cross him with? What will the female have to do a test cross? When we say do test cross, casters, right? And why? Why would we do that? What do we know about her for sure? Just by looking at it. Yeah, she's homozygous recessive, right? She's little r, little r. Okay, so depending on what happens, and again, this is basically like the same situation as Fred and Genevieve, not gerbils, guinea pigs, right? Yeah. No, that was Fred and Frida, right? Yeah. So we're just using the same word, Fred, or same name, Fred. Different Fred, though. Okay. All right. So we're going to cross this. So there's two possible cases. So whenever you do the test cross, we're going to do left side, right side. Okay. On the left side, we can go big R, big R. So if it's homozygous, okay, we can show our cross here. And we got our genotypic ratio then, our GR would be all heterozygous, big R, little r. And we call them carriers. All right? So in common language, how many of you ever heard the word of a person being a carrier for something? Or an animal being a carrier for something? Okay, so that's where that's coming from. So they carry the gene, but they don't actually show it because it's hiding, because it's recessive. So there's going to be a 100% chance of what kind of wheels for that, if that's the case. If he's homozygous, no matter what, how often we breed, what happens? Yeah, all racers, 100% racers. Good. Okay. If he's heterozygous, I'll just build it right into the cross immediately. So big R, little r, big R, little r, little r, little r. Okay. Our genotypic ratio. What's our genotype ratio for this cross? Hey. Sorry? One big R, little r. Yeah, it's a one little r, little r. Good. That's what you saw in your mind, right? Okay. Cool. I could tell. Okay, so then what are our odds there? That's right. Okay, 50% racers, 50% casters. Okay. So, if he has no caster offspring, then he's probably homozygous. Again, probably, because he could pump out all racers, right? It could happen. Or so you could pump out, well, in this case, if he has no castor offspring, yeah, he's homozygous. Okay? In this case, he actually, if he pumps out one, right? And if he's heterozygous, he could have all racers. But it's not likely. So if he has one castor offspring, he's a het. Okay, he's a carrier. He's a heterozygote. Okay, so that's that one.